Okay, namaste. So today what we'll do is a practice to heal the nervous system, to really nourish the, in particular the parasympathetic nervous system, which is that aspect of the nervous system body that really allows us to drop into a space of deep rest and restoration. One of the things that I recently learned in relation to brain science, neuroscience, is that the brain, although it fulfills many roles and has many capacities, it really only has two primary modes of functioning. And those modes are what science is calling exploration or exploitation. And we're either in one or the other. Now, exploitation is what we could call more of a stress response. And it's whenever the sympathetic nervous system is triggered, the brain goes into exploitation mode, which means that the only information it can draw on is information that it has already acquired or instinctual primitive behavior. In other words, when we're in this mode of exploitation, when we're in the sympathetic nervous system, our capacity to grow and evolve as a result of receiving new information is completely nullified. On the other hand, when we are in that space of rest and the parasympathetic nervous system is switched on, the brain moves into exploration mode. And what science is saying is this is the brain's natural modality. Like, this is what we are naturally set to. And when we're in this mode of exploration, it's essentially a mode of receptivity where we are open to receive new information from within and also from the surrounding environment. And that lends itself to development and growth and ultimately evolution. So it's an interesting shift of ideas a lot of the time, and certainly for me this has been a really key idea, is that the more we do, the more we evolve. But what science is suggesting is the opposite. The more we rest, the more we evolve, which is quite a cool invitation. So this is going to be a restorative practice. We're not going to do many poses, maybe 5 or 6, but we will hold them for a long time. And it's in this holding and this stillness and the silence that we really have an opportunity to shift from one mode to the other. So a little bit more information as we move through the class, but ultimately this is an opportunity for rest and nourishment and healing. So get your props ready. We'll use a bolster, block, blanket, even a strap, and ideally if you can have wall space or somewhere to stick your legs up the wall, that would be perfect.